This place looks like Arizona, but it's actually Europe's only desert golf course. Welcome to Desert Springs. Welcome back to the channel. Last time Colette and I showed you around our dream home. In this video you get a walking tour of Desert Springs. Located near the towns of Beira and Cuevas de Manzora, Almería, Desert Springs sits on the sun-soaked southern eastern coast of Spain. Tucked between the Filabas and Almería mountains, the Tabernas Basin sits in a powerful rain shadow that blocks moist Mediterranean air, creating Europe's only true desert. Fun fact, that same landscape is why so many classic Hollywood Western films were filmed right here in Almería. It was at this point I forgot my hat and glasses. Gonna regret that, big time. Almería is finally being connected to Spain's high-speed railway network, and the new AV line cuts straight through these massive mountain ranges. Desert Springs Resort has around 400 homes, with a mix of apartments, townhouses and luxury villas. The architecture blends Spanish colonial design with subtle Moorish influences, creating that warm, sun-baked desert oasis that feels right at home in Almería. Many English county cricket teams come to Desert Springs for their pre-season training. The ground is built to full ECB standards and credited by the International Cricket Council, and features an 18-wicket square that stays open all year round, making it one of the best winter training bases in Europe. Let's take a closer look at the new style villas. The cricket residences. They got a fantastic view over the pitch, absolutely perfect for watching a match with a cold beer. If you made it this far and enjoying the video, drop a comment, hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And for my journey, well, it didn't start here. I wouldn't be standing in this place, living this life, if it wasn't for one person. Their influence runs through every step I've taken, but that part of the story is one we'll come to later on. On our channel, Colette and I want to share everything that we've learned on our journey so we can help you on yours. In our videos you'll discover a step-by-step expert guidance on buying property, setting up utilities, getting your NIE number and navigating the Spanish legal system, and real insights into life in Spain. Many wise tips including budgeting, seasonal living and planning your retirement abroad. We also want to share our daily life in Spain, including some spontaneous trips and some underwater adventures including scuba diving, snorkeling. I am not a golfer, but these look like the practice putting green. And in the distance, a driving range, but maybe someone in the comments can confirm this. And the Desert Springs sales office is right on the golf course. Check it out, the details are on the screen. And yes, that is an elephant statue. Somewhere around this point in the edit, I discovered the mic battery had completely given up. But hey, between wrestling the frame and chasing these two golfers, I think I just about got the shot. Nice to get a bit of shade from the sun as we carry on with the Desert Springs tour. Here's where you pick up your golf buggy or trolley just before starting your round. Crossing the main road in Desert Springs, the main clubhouse is just over there. We'll get to that in a minute, but first let's check out the fairway. That's impressive. Designed by legendary golf course architect Peter McAvoy, the Championship Indiana course takes its inspiration from the iconic desert courses in Arizona. Built to full USGA specifications, it looks as stunning as it is demanding, and that's coming from a non-golfer. And it's not just stunning, it's proven. Desert Springs has hosted major events including the PGA Euro Pro Tour Championship in 2019 and the DP World Tour qualifying in 2025. The clubhouse is the perfect place to grab a drink or enjoy the fantastic restaurant. It's also a really special spot for Colette and me. It's where I proposed, and thankfully she said yes. The whole family was there for her birthday and fully in on the surprise. It turned into a lovely celebration with extra layer of meaning. Back on the main road that runs parallel with the course, this road is lined with some of Desert Springs' most luxurious villas and communities. Over the years, Desert Springs has attracted more than just golf lovers. A couple of very famous names have called these villas home. Sporting icons Sir Ian Botham and Daley Thompson. Desert Springs didn't just appear out of the desert. It was built from the ground up. In 1999, the Almería Bay Group broke ground on their very first homes. By 2000, the resort was open. 1 year later, the crown jewel arrived, the Indiana course, designed by Peter McAvoy and inspired by the iconic desert courses of Arizona. From 2006 onwards, the place just kept growing. New colonial-style homes, expanding communities. And by 2018, the full ICC-accredited international ground was opened, turning the resort into a multi-sport destination with global appeal. What started as a construction site in 1999 is now one of Europe's most unique resorts. Built with ambition and shaped by the desert, it's still evolving. And as our journey here continues, so does the story we're sharing with you. Desert Springs isn't just a place we film, it's part of how we're planning our future. Over the next few months, we'll be diving deeper into topics so many of you in our community have asked about. Real-world retirement planning. We're preparing for the next chapter and what it actually looks like to build a life between two countries. We'll talk openly about decisions we're making, the financial planning behind them, and the steps we're taking to shape our future that feels balanced, intentional and ours. Not advice, just our lived experience and shared honesty. And of course, it's not all paperwork and planning. Many of you already know that both Colette and I are scuba divers, so expect to see underwater adventures too. From the reefs and the coves along the Almería coastline to the hidden spots only locals seem to know. Scuba diving is a huge part of our life here, and we can't wait to bring you along for more adventures. So whether you're here for the lifestyle, the planning, the golf, the desert scenery, and all the underwater world, this community is growing and we're excited to explore it with you.